12वीचे परीक्षेत विशेष प्रावीण्य श्रेणीत पास जाल्ल्या दिवचलचे शांतादुर्गा उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयाच्या 194 विद्यार्थ्यांचो भोवमान केलो। व्यवस्थापन मंडळाच्या जोडपालवान पालक शिक्षक संघान आयोजित केल्ल्या या सुवाळ्याक मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण दिवचलचे आमदार दोतोर चंद्रकांत शेट्टी हाजीर आशिल्ले। या सुवाळ्याक शांतादुर्गा परिवाराचे सचिव आणि आदले सभापती राजेश वाटणेकर, अध्यक्ष विजय सरदेसाय, उपाध्यक्ष सदाशिव वालावलीकार, भंडारी राजेश धोंड, उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयाचे व्यवस्थापक अरुण साळकर, प्राचार्य ओरलांडो मिनेझिस, पालक शिक्षक संघाचे अध्यक्ष नरहरी सावंत आणि हेर मानेस्त हाजीर आशिल्ले।
See, for your what happens, more degrees, higher job. That is the equation. A bigger job or a job with a higher salary. It is not like that. Education gives you a better job, but it brings you, it reforms you. Your self-confidence change, your mental satisfaction change. How to behave in society, how to act in society, what society will think of myself. So many parameters change. That is all depend on your educational level. See, in anything, there are always some. You always say there are so many people who have educated so well, still they doesn't do well in their job or they don't do well in their day-to-day life. In every distinct profession there is like that. Secondly, my request, I know there are few parents here because of this, but my request to students and parents, just because somebody is doing some profession or taking some branch, you don't force yourself. You think what your liking is that.